So do you guys see that golden Thomas over there, that little engine? I am going to do something that I tried. It's a project that I forgot about, okay, anyways, it's been months behind, but anyways, so we have a golden Thomas. This one is Hitoy company, and I wanted to make put some lights right over here and here, but first we need to finish the assemble of this model. Here's the face and the neck of Thomas. There you go. And we need to finish this model, this custom, and we need to put the vinyl here, everywhere. So we have these LED lights. Let me see, are all the same? Yes. So I have these small LED lights. These are for parties. Probably you guys know, for some of you might know what these are. So I'm planning to put these lights on the Thomas, so we don't need this. The problem is we need to figure out how to put it inside and to have access to the button. We cannot put it here, like it will look very, ugly, like the new models with a big button on top, so I don't like it. So let's get rid of this stuff inside of the this thing. So anyways, I'm gonna say it because some of you might know what these LED lights are for. These are for eyelashes, for Paris. You put the eyelashes on, So anyways, so I'm looking for them. Let me see. These are white, so I need a multicolor, and we need to put them right over here. Yeah, I'm gonna put a multicolor. I don't want this. I have different ones here, more. So yeah, it's a nice product, good idea that I had a long time ago. So I'm gonna put it one on the back, one on the front. I wanted at the beginning to put it here, but since it's in an archway, it might not fit, so it's not a good idea. Okay, now I'm gonna put it inside, and I think I gotta put the button on the back. Yes, on the back. I'm gonna put it on the back right here. Yep, right there. But first, let's put the vinyl in the entire model. So this is how our model will look like at the end. I couldn't resist to show you guys before. Anyways, so let's proceed. We have our vinyl here pre-cut and ready to transfer. To do that, I'm going to use some masking tape. Very easy to use as a transfer. So as you can see, it's not a complex process. It's very simple and easy to do, and it stays in place very nice. I love this process when I do it. Before I did not show it to you guys, but I have a little bit of time, so I guess now you guys have access worldwide to this machine called Cricut Explorer 2 or 3, so you can make your own vinyl stickers. So I hope everybody does have access, because last year I remember there were only available for US, Canada, and UK, United Kingdom. Okay, now here is what my plan. The hole I'm making is for the button, very discreet. Now we put the LED lights with the glue included. There is a glue strip, and we need to cut the excess of wire, so we need to cut and rewire. I don't need that much, just a little bit. And this is our circuit board. So remember guys, please be very careful. If you are kids, do not try this at home. ask your parents to do it for you. Now once we put the first short wire, now we remove the long one and put again the other one that comes from our Thomas, very short cable, which includes 3 wires each, three wires anyways. So now our vinyl lining on Thomas are looking good, excellent. And this is a very simple and easy project since we already put our lights. Here is our finished model, looking not bad. I was kind of lazy to hide the wires, but anyways, so let's take a look. So the patterns you see, in order to switch, you gotta push the button again, and because this does not change unless you push the button again to change the movement of the lights. Well, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you like it and enjoy the rest of the video.